Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that it was said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "What a nice thing it would be if you may go to Abdullah bin Ubay for preaching Islam." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, riding an ass, set off towards him, whereas a group of Muslims also went along with him. That was a slain land. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached near him, he said, "Get aside. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the smell of your ass is distressing me." A helper whereupon said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the smell of the ass of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam is sweeter than yours." Thereupon a man of Abdullah's tribe flared up, and then the companions, supporters of both parties, got enraged and started beating one another with the branches of the trees, hands and shoes. The reporter says this news reached us that this verse was revealed at that occasion. And if two groups of the Muslims fight each other, then make peace between them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4637.